Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lollipop holder only way. Start by collecting wooden dowels, foam block, glue, scissors, and decorative paper, then measure and cut dowels to equal length for uniform holders. Press dowels into the foam block evenly spaced, test for stability, and trim any uneven ends. Wrap the base with decorative paper, secure with glue, and let everything dry completely before inserting lollipops. Now we will assemble the holder in clear steps to keep things simple and tidy. Mark equal intervals on the foam for dowel placement, then push each dowel firmly in place to create a neat grid. Apply glue at the base of each dowel for extra hold, allow a full cure, and gently sand any rough edges for a finished look that invites handling without splinters or loose pieces. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum with voice control makes post-party cleanup effortless and saves time after crafting sessions. I love how it navigates around tables and crumbs, and it pairs well with any busy host setup. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Finish your lollipop holder with thoughtful details that elevate the project without adding complexity. Wrap the base in patterned paper or ribbon, secure seams neatly, and add small stickers or labels if desired for personalization. Check spacing by inserting lollipops, then adjust any overcrowded spots, and finally apply a light varnish or sealer for durability if the holder will be reused often or exposed to humidity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.